Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producers of rapid set cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we're going to demonstrate some of our vertical and overhead repair products. Come on up, get a little bit closer. My name is Matt Samble. I'm the VP of Product Development. And before I tell you more about our cement and our products, I want to tell you a little bit about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs on staff who are researching technology and developing new products. We've got great production and quality teams that are working, in some cases, around the clock to keep up with production and make sure we deliver the highest quality of products to our customers. And we've got a great team of sales and technical support staff. Many of them are here today, and their sole job is to help you have more success on your projects. CTS Cement is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. It's much easier for me to say that way. RapidSet is a standalone balytic CSA cement that delivers speed, strength, and durability. RapidSet products are fast. Many of our products get structural strength in just 1 hour. They also have low shrinkage, which means they have a lower risk of cracking compared to Portland cement or other traditional products. They also have superior resistance to sulfate attack and long life durability. For example, we placed RapidSet cement concrete at SeaTac Airport back in the mid-90s. We've had independent labs come and check the in-place concrete multiple times over the years. And they found not only does the strength continue to increase well beyond the 28-day strength, but the flexural strength today is actually double what it was when they first started landing planes on it. Now, we've recently completed environmental product declarations, or EPDs, and showed that the global warming potential for our cement is actually about 25% lower than a traditional Portland cement. So that means CTS Cement has actually saved the Earth almost 1.5 billion pounds of carbon emissions by replacing Portland cement with RapidSet cement. And these are real numbers. These come directly from the Environmental Product Declaration, which is a certified official accounting of CO2 emissions. Plus, we're doing that without having to dilute our cement with inert fillers like limestone. So we're very proud to do our part to reduce global carbon emissions. RapidSet has been used on a wide range of bulk applications, from highways and airport panel replacements to industrial and commercial floors. It's been used in tilt-up construction, precast, cast-in-place, residential work, really all aspects of concrete repair and restoration. So with RapidSet, you'll save time and money and get high-quality results. So let's get to the fun stuff. Today we're going to mix the Mortar Mix Plus, or which we call MMP, which is a polymer-modified mortar that includes a corrosion inhibitor to help protect the embedded steel. We also have VO Repair Mix, which is also a polymer-modified structural mortar. It also contains corrosion inhibitor, but it also has self-curing technology and fiber reinforcement to help it hang on the wall even better. And then we'll demonstrate our Wonder Fix, which is a smooth cosmetic patch for concrete that's often used on tilt-up construction. So I know they're mixing in the back. While they're doing that, I'll remind you, all three of these products are based on RapidSet balytic CSA cement. It's a standalone cement, so that means it doesn't have to be blended with Portland cement or gypsum or really anything else to get high early and long-term strength. It has very good durability and low shrinkage. So come a little bit closer. We're going to start the demonstrations in just a few moments. And if there's anything you can't see here, we're going to get some great shots for you up on the screen. I think Kyle's walking around with a camera, and so he's been doing a great job of operating that camera. One more thing, while we've got a minute, I'll tell you that this is our Cementol product, which is our multi-purpose mortar that was artistically rendered to look like wood. Also, this wall right over here, they used the Cementol product to make it look like a rusted steel door. So our artist did a really great job putting those together as well. So we're installing the Mortar Mix Plus. This product is designed to go from a 1/2 inch up to 6 inches deep. I mentioned it's polymer modified, and it includes the corrosion inhibitor, which protects the rebar from corrosion. If you're familiar with our mortar mix in the brown bag, this is kind of the next version of it. The first difference you'll notice is that it's pigmented gray to better match your existing concrete. So if you saw earlier, they actually pre-wet the surface, and the purpose of that is to fill the pores in your substrate, so that way you don't lose your mixed water into the substrate. So that gives you better adhesion and better strength. So again, if you're familiar with our mortar mix in the brown bag, this is a little bit different. We've given it extra working time, but it still gets structural strength in about an hour and a half, gets 2,000 PSI, and will achieve 7,000 PSI in 28 days. Let's get to all the questions right after the presentation. Thank you. So this repair can go 6 inches deep. This one is about 4 inches probably. Jose's doing a great job building it up. We're going to get a nice smooth wall. And right after the presentation, you can come up and take a closer look. So we'll want to water cure this product after it starts to harden a little bit, but before it loses its moist sheen. If we give it a little bit of water cure for about 1 hour, what that does, it helps keep the right amount of water inside the material so the cement can properly hydrate. The next product we're going to demonstrate is the vertical and overhead repair, VO repair mix. So that one is very similar to the mortar mix. It has the polymer modification. It also has the corrosion inhibitor, but it also contains fiber reinforcement. So it's great for vertical and overhead repairs. It also contains self-curing technology. How many of us work in locations where the temperatures drop below freezing? Anybody? A few of us? Both of these products are designed for high freeze-thaw durability. So this is the VO repair mix, right? Great. So I mentioned the VO repair mix is similar. It's polymer modified. It's also fiber reinforced, so we'll see how it can hang. Really, the MMP is great for vertical. The real difference is that the VO repair mix is designed, it's also designed for overhead repairs. So Luis is pre-wetting the surface, like I mentioned before. That helps to fill the pores of your substrate, so that way your cement can properly hydrate and doesn't lose that mixed water into the wall. Now the VO repair mix is designed to go from about 1/4 inch up to 2 inches deep, but it can actually go much deeper on smaller vertical repairs. So like I said, this is probably these holes might even be 5 inches deep. As soon as we're done with our demonstration too, you'll be able to get your hands on some of these products right on the other side of this display. So we get a structural strength in 2 hours of 2,000 PSI and 6,500 PSI at 28 days. Again, all these products are based on the Rapid Set CSA cement. It's a standalone cement that gets high early and long-term strength. the next demonstration is going to be the Wonder Fix. The Wonder Fix is a smooth cosmetic patch for concrete. It's really ideal for tilt-up construction, but it's been used on all kinds of concrete surfaces, precast, cast in place. Anywhere where you have some small bug holes or imperfections and you want to smooth it and get a nice cosmetic finish. The Wonder Fix has about 30 minutes of working time, so we've added a little bit of extra working time for you. But once it's on the wall, it dries very fast, so you can come back and sand it to get an ultra smooth finish. And it can be painted and primed and painted in just hours instead of days or weeks like many other products. Some of us might remember the old sack and patch method of repairing tilt walls. That we used to like spray the wall with glue and then they'd come back with a burlap sack and some dry cement and rub it on. It was a filthy process. Nobody liked doing it. Wonder Fix was actually instrumental in changing the industry to a much cleaner and easier to apply method. Since then, it's been used on tens of millions of square feet of tilt-ups, precast, and cast-in-place concrete. So if you haven't tried it yet, now's the time. So these products have been used on multiple projects. Here's one. This is the Arecibo campus in San Juan, Puerto Rico. This campus sits just 50 feet from the ocean, so it's constantly subjected to high winds and salty air. So they specified VO repair mix to fix the parking structure. And they specified it because of the self-curing technology and the fiber reinforcement, but mainly because it has the corrosion inhibitor in there. So they used multiple Rapid Set products on this project. And they were actually able to finish this project months ahead of schedule, and the rebar will be protected for years to come. At the University of Arizona, this is the Health Sciences Innovation Building. They use the MMP to plug the tie holes, and they use the Wonder Fix here to come back and smooth the entire surface. This is a finished image here in the corner. It's actually won multiple architecture awards. It was finished in 2019. And we're very proud to have contributed to the success of that building. So that's it for our vertical and overhead demonstration. Can I get a hand for these guys applying the product and in the back mixing?